that looks great.
Hi, this is Serge, and I'm introducing one of the latest model programmable sewing machine. It's a SewPro PSM 1306CH model. This specific model has 5:1 ratio, which allow us to do a lot of tough material sewing, like BioThane with 3 layers. It has so much punch, and it can pull up stitches nice. What this machine is set up for, with a rope clamp, we'll do some demonstration with stitching some BioThane rope, which is a new thing for us. But I want to make sure that people understand this machine can be set up with both. Do a rope and do basic bar tacking like products with it's just a matter of buying separate attachment, which is the 4 bolts. It goes behind this cover here. It needs to be taken and switched to air hoses. And this is general setup for large field. With this machine, 130 by 60 millimeter field, and anything smaller, we make custom clamps. Sometimes we incorporate this finger clamps. Sometimes we make a rectangular, depending on the job. Here's some product was made for another customer. And you can design program right on touch screen, or we have a software which makes it much easier to make it. So, and then you transfer with USB port, through USB port. So this is a different setup, and that's a rope clamp, and that's a machine.
And that clamp, what do you click for that? Just your foot?
Just foot pedal.
Okay.
Yep. And then the second commands the machine front.
Does this type of thread need lubricating to cut through the bio rope at all?
No, it's a good lubricated thread already. You just gotta use good thread, and they usually come already lubricated, pre-lubricated.
In that, wow. Excellent.
This is our SewPro PSM 1306CH model. This is the latest model, and we have it set up with the finger clamps to make some products out of BioThane. And very tough material here. We're gonna sew 3 layers like you would make some parts of the harness. And here we are. We're just going to put it in the machine here. Clamp it down. I like to have my threads away so it doesn't get tangled when it sews. And I want to slow down a little bit because it's very tough 3 layers, and here we go. Expands when you sew in, so you have to kind of help to get out. And there we go. This is the top stitch, and this is the bottom. Look how nicely it puts up, even on the back side. This is very important for this material, back side, to pull up the stitch.